Welcome to Mobile Buzz 2.0. Today, we're delving into Samsung's upcoming foldable devices for 2024. With the Galaxy S series success, all eyes are on the Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6. Let's uncover the latest leaks and speculations about these innovative gadgets set to hit the market soon. The big reveal of Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. Samsung is gearing up for a grand July launch, where we anticipate the unveiling of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6, along with the Galaxy Watch 7 series and Galaxy Ring. This summer tradition follows the impactful launches of Z Fold 4 and Z Fold 5 in previous years. The intriguing Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. What sets apart the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra? Samsung is introducing two variants this time, with the ultra-promising top-notch features. While specifics are hush-hush, rumors suggest a sleeker design, upgraded camera capabilities, and a possible inclusion of the remarkable 200MP ISOCELL-HP2 camera from the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Unveiling the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra's design. Let's dive into the design of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Leaks indicate a lighter and slimmer build, weighing around 239 grams and featuring titanium material akin to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Ultra Fold is expected to be a mere 5.6 millimeters thick when unfolded and 12.1 millimeters when folded, ensuring a more streamlined and ergonomic user experience. Speculations about standard Fold 6 and Fold FE. While the Ultra variant steals the spotlight, there's chatter about a standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 or a possible budget-friendly Fold FE edition. While details are sparse, reports suggest the potential for a vanilla Fold 6 or Fold FE, catering to diverse consumer preferences and needs. Outro. That concludes our deep dive into Samsung's 2024 foldable lineup. Stay connected with Mobile Buzz 2.0 for more updates, leaks, and insights on the ever-evolving mobile tech landscape. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep buzzing with anticipation for the unfolding future of foldable devices.